Hello my lovely viewers, welcome again to the Lucky Mom's kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make fluffy pancakes. So that is what we're going to do today. You can watch the video till the end, like it, share it, and leave a comment down below so that I know what you expect next. So what do you need when you want to cook the fluffy pancakes? You need flour. This is my glass of flour. This is my milk powder. You can use the liquid one if you don't have the milk powder. I need egg. This is one egg. Depending on the size of the quantity, you can use many eggs if you want, but for me, this is for me alone, so I had to use one egg, a glass of flour. Then this one is vanilla essence, and then I have my baking powder here, and then this is my bowl. This is a glass of water, and this is my whisk that I will use to stir. So let's go. Okay, now this is my clean bowl. What I'll do, I'll just put my flour, then I'll put my milk powder, and then I'll put my egg, then I'll put my vanilla essence, and then I'll put my baking powder. I use the gram for baking powder, so I put the spoon. Okay, so after I have put all this, I add water. You also need to put sugar. I've just forgotten, but let me add sugar. Oh, I forgot sugar, but it's not too late. I'll just add sugar, and then I'll take my whisk here and stir. You stir until it becomes thick, fine thick. It should not have any crumbs inside. Stir it until it becomes thick, fine thick. If you want nice fluffy pancakes, you have to stir it until it becomes fine thick. This is fine. You see, this is how it becomes after you stir. So I'll just go and make it on the hot pan. Let's see what will happen. I didn't put oil because for me I don't put oil. So let's see what next. So in my hot pan, I have to put little oil, and then I'll just spread it using this brush. You only put oil once. This is too much oil. Let me adjust my fire. Just to okay, this is fine. So you have to wait for the pan to be very hot, and then this is my mixture. So I'll take a scooping spoon just like this and scoop a little bit. So After scooping, I just put it here. Don't spread it. Don't spread it. Put a lot of oil. This oil is too much. It's not supposed to be too much like this. So you wait for it to come up. Don't touch it. Just leave it the way it is. Leave it the way it is like this and wait for it to dry down before you flip it over. You see, this is how it looks now after some time. When you want to see if it is ready, you just turn it like this and see. You see, it's already done. So you flip it over. Don't leave it for so long because it will turn black. It's ready. You keep checking if it's done. You do this on low heat. It is done. Finished. So you repeat the same procedure. You scoop, well done. You put it on your pan. Don't spread it. Just leave it the way it's like that. Leave it that way to cook. You see? Don't touch it, just leave it to cook. You can see. If you stir the mixture well, it will give you easy time when you are cooking. It will become fluffy, but if you don't stir well, and then you have to put the right amount of flour and water required so that you can make a nice mix that is smooth at the end. So let's see. When you see this bubbles like this on the top, then it means down it has dried. So even though it has not dried well, you wait for these bubbles again to settle. Wait for them to settle. You see they are decreasing in number. When they decrease, then it means downward it's drying up. It's almost becoming ready. Now you can put your, this is my spatula. You see, you can do it like this to check. This is a way of checking, but just wait for it to dry. If all these bubble holes disappear, then down it's ready. You can flip it over. You can check. It's done, and then flip it over. This is the best pancakes you can make for your family that takes less time. It's less than 10 minutes. Breakfast is ready for your family. So let's see how it ends. This is exactly the end product. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel for more kitchen tips. This is exactly how it looks. These are my fluffy pancakes. So when you want to serve them, you can, if you have honey, you can spread over it for your family to enjoy. You can use Nutella, you can spread Nutella. So it depends which flavor your family wants. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. What do you think was supposed to be done, or how do you make yours at home? May God bless you so much. See you next time. Bye.